Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can delete photo albums folder on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up the Photos app. Next, tap on Albums at the bottom. And in My Albums, go across and find the folder that you would like to delete. For example, this one right here, 2022. You will notice that if I try to delete an album, I can delete an album by simply touch and hold on the album. But for a folder, if I touch and hold, nothing happens. So to remove a folder, you need to tap on CO, then tap on Edit at the top. And from here, you can tap on the Remove button to remove the folder. And that's it. Tap on the Delete button to remove the folder, and then tap on Done to complete. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.